LG 6000 BTU 115V window air conditioner with remote control, white. Low noise performance, operates at sound levels as low as 52 decibels in low mode, eliminating unnecessary noise. Multiple fan speeds, 3 cooling and fan speeds allow you to customize your cooling. Maximum usability, easy to use electronic controls with remote. Auto restart, after a power failure, auto restart will automatically turn the unit back on when power is restored. Cools rooms up to 250 square feet. LW6017R is ideal for cooling medium rooms, 10x25. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.